Check a DNS register in Pandora FMS. Welcome to Pandora FMS channel. In this video, we will tell you how to monitor DNS in your environment. For this monitoring, go to Pandora FMS library. Once there, search for the plugin you want. Before continuing, we should point out that there are two types of plugins, either server or agent, and they can also be open or only for Pandora FMS Enterprise version, which will be identified by this logo. To find out how the server and agent plugins are configured, you can check the specific videos talking about that on this channel. Once these are clear, we will proceed to download the plugin to monitor DNS. As you see in its definition, this plugin will return information about the domain/IP, and it will also obtain the response time of a certain DNS server if we indicate it when configuring it. By default, this plugin is added to the section Servers Plugins, but in case you don't have it, just go to Servers Plugin Register and upload the downloaded file. Now that you have it in your environment, go to the agent you want to add the module to. Go to the section to add a module and select the type Create a Plugin Server module. On the next screen, select the DNS plugin and fill in the fields like module name and the necessary parameters for plugin execution, such as the IP of the computer on which you want to resolve the domain name itself, and the IP of the DNS server from which you will make the query. With this data, you have everything you need, and after creating the module and waiting for the interval for execution to take place, you will see that in the agent there's a new module with the corresponding metric. 0 if resolution failed, or 1 if the registry check was successful. And that was it for today's video. Don't forget it, if you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Remember that if you're interested in trying Pandora FMS Enterprise, you can contact us to get a free 30-day trial. Thank you very much for your time, and we hope to see you in future videos. Bye!